Yeah, butt down, barrel up. There you go.
July the 4th is the best.
Stand by. Middle. Twice. Shoot it again. Now keep sweeping. One more in the middle. Put it down. Be careful with that shotgun coming around the corner. Okay? Set your feet. Once you load it, don't move them. There you go. Great. Put it on your shoulder. Up. Do it again. You're doing great. Whoop. Careful now. Okay, over here and put it down. Start in the middle, about a sweep. Holster and do it again with the other pistol. Yeah. 77, 66, spotters have her.